Strap in for a thrilling journey into the strategic maneuvers of WP Carey Inc., a leading player in the real estate market. WP Carey Inc., a real estate investment trust, boasts a market capitalization of $12 billion. Its impressive portfolio includes over 1,400 net lease properties, alongside 86 self-storage operating properties. Recently, the company completed a significant spin-off of net lease office properties, also known as NLOP, marking a pivotal moment in its corporate history. Alongside this, they've kickstarted their office sale program, a move signaling their commitment to strategic growth and restructuring. Now, with the stage set, let's delve deeper into the company's strategic focus on the industrial and warehouse sector. WP Carey Inc. is not just playing the game, it's changing it. The company's focus on the industrial and warehouse sector is a strategic move worth examining. In recent times, we've seen a rising demand for warehouse space in the industrial sector. This surge is driven by a variety of factors, from the boom in e-commerce to the need for centralized distribution centers. And who's capitalizing on this trend? You guessed it, WP Carey Inc. While other companies might be content with a slice of the pie, WP Carey is aiming to take the whole thing. They're not just investing in industrial and warehouse properties, they're actively developing this part of their business. And why is that? Because they recognize the potential that lies within the sector. Now you might be wondering, how is WP Carey funding this ambitious endeavor? Well, the company anticipates a significant inflow of capital and liquidity to fund its investment activity. That's right, they're not just banking on the future, they're actively working towards it. But what does this mean for the company and its investors? It means growth, opportunity, and a chance to be part of a sector that's on the rise. And let's face it, in a time when many industries are facing uncertainty, WP Carey's strategic focus on the industrial and warehouse sector is a breath of fresh air. But it's not just about the present, it's about the future too. WP Carey's bold move today is a step towards a future where the company is not just a participant in the industrial and warehouse sector, but a leader. The industrial and warehouse sector is a promising frontier, and WP Carey Inc. is leading the charge with its strategic focus. So if you're looking for a company that's not just playing the game but changing it, WP Carey Inc. might just be the one to watch. The financial landscape for WP Carey Inc. is shifting, with projections and dividends adjusting to new business realities. In response to a changing business environment, WP Carey Inc. has revised its guidance for adjusted funds from operations, or AFFO, for fiscal years 2023 and 2024. These changes primarily stem from the company's recent spin-off of net lease office properties and the ongoing asset sales as part of its office sale program. The company's redirection of its focus towards the more profitable industrial and warehouse sectors has necessitated these financial adjustments. As the company offloads its office properties and invests more heavily in the industrial and warehouse sectors, it's expected that the AFFO will experience a temporary dip. But it's not all about the short-term losses. WP Carey Inc. has also announced plans to reset its dividend in the fourth quarter. This strategic move aims to better align the company's dividend payouts with its AFFO. In simpler terms, as the company's AFFO grows, so too will its dividends. This means that investors can expect a direct correlation between the company's financial performance and their dividend returns. An estimated yield of around 6.81% is anticipated for next year, which, while lower than previous years, still represents a decent return in the current market. The company's management believes this adjustment will provide a more sustainable and growth-oriented dividend strategy going forward. So while these adjustments may seem significant, they reflect a company that is not afraid to make bold moves in response to changing market conditions. WP Carey Inc. is adapting its financial strategy to support its new business focus, and these changes are expected to position the company for long-term success. With these financial adjustments, WP Carey Inc. is gearing up to navigate the future with a renewed focus and strategic vision. The journey with WP Carey Inc. has been a thrilling one, filled with strategic shifts and bold financial maneuvers. We've seen how this $12 billion REIT is making calculated strides, shifting its focus to the industrial and warehouse sector. This move, sparked by the rising demand for warehouse space, is set to usher in a significant inflow of capital and liquidity, fueling their investment activities. But it's not just about industrial growth. WP Carey is also making some important financial adjustments. They've completed the spin-off of net lease office properties and are progressing with their office sale program. Couple this with their plans to reset the dividend in the fourth quarter, linking subsequent growth to AFO growth, and we see a company that's not afraid to restructure for future success. But what does this mean for you? Well, with an estimated yield of around 6.81% next year, it's certainly something to keep an eye on. Remember, the world of finance and real estate is ever evolving, and staying informed is key. Don't miss out on more thrilling insights into the world of finance and real estate. Subscribe now for more updates on WP Carey Inc. and a host of other exciting topics.